Welcome to today's educational video tutorial on how to vote before Tesla's upcoming annual shareholder meeting slated for Thursday, June 13, 2024. Note, nothing in this video is financial or investment advice. These are just my personal views. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on the voting process in 5 simple steps. I'm going to guide you through the entire voting process, including key items like the Elon's 2018 compensation plan and the proposed headquarters move from Delaware to Texas. Let's get started. Step 1. Getting your Proxy voting card ready. First, you will need access to your Proxy card. These are usually sent to your address on file with your financial institution or to the email on file with your financial institution. If you haven't received them yet, make sure you contact your financial broker such as Questrade, Wealthsimple, Interactive Broker, Fidelity, TD Ameritrade to get your Proxy control number. If you are in the US, go to Tesla's website. I'm going to leave the link here. So this contains instruction on how you can get your Proxy card or your Proxy control number, which I'm going to show you an example in just a few minutes. For example, if your financial institution is Fidelity, Robinhood, Interactive Broker, TD Ameritrade, any of this, there are specific instructions on how you can get this material. So let's use TD Ameritrade as an example. If you just click on this drop-down arrow, you're going to see the exact instruction on how you can get your Proxy voting card or your Proxy control number. So if you are a Tesla investor in Canada, you must have received your Tesla Proxy voting card. But if you've not, then I recommend reaching out to your financial institution. What is a proxy card? A proxy card or a proxy voting card, this contains vital information such as your control number, which is required for voting. It also contains a deadline and matters on the docket for voting, where to cast your vote and things like that. I'm going to walk you through the process and I'm going to show you an example. So right here is a Tesla proxy voting card. This is the one that I received. You can see right here that this is for Tesla. This is for the 2024 annual meeting. And the deadline for voting is June 12, 2024, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't wait until June 12 before casting your vote. This is just something you can just do right on your phone or even on your laptop, okay? So right at the bottom here, you can see the control number. Obviously, I already blanked out the control number. That is the number you're going to use to vote. This is the front page of the voting card. I'm going to show you how the back looks like. Right here is the back of the same voting card, and it contains the items on the docket for voting. You can see from item 1 to 5, the board recommends we vote in favor for this. And from item 6 to 12, the board recommends we vote against this. So I'm going to go through all of this when we get to step 3. So step 2, log into the voting portal. So you need to go to proxyvote.com. Here is the link here. I'm also going to leave the link in the description area below. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my control number. You too can go ahead and do the same thing. Then next, you're going to click on Get Started. So if you want to create an account, you can go ahead and create an account, but I don't want to create an account. So that's why I'm just using this option of vote without signing in. This is just easy. So then once you enter your control number, next, we're going to click on Get Started. So this is the page it's going to bring you to. And you can see here that the fact that I just entered my control number, it's showing here that I have not yet voted. And it also shows the deadline for voting. You can also watch this video. It's such a beautiful and well put together video. It's just really paints a very beautiful picture of the future of Tesla. Step 3, we're going to be reviewing the 12 items on the docket for voting. So here we can see the proposal from 1, 2, 3, all the way to item 12. Make sure you read each of the proposals very well before casting your vote. And step 4, I'm going to walk you through the process of casting your vote. And right at this corner here, you can see the number of available shares that you have. If you own Tesla shares across multiple portfolios, you're going to get several voting cards. Please vote before the deadline. Also remember that for you to receive the voting card, you must have been a Tesla shareholder on or before April 15, 2024. So now step 4, let's cast our vote. Remember, your vote is crucial in shaping the future of Tesla. For item 1, the election of Class 2 directors to serve for 3 years, expiring in 2027. I'm going to vote for 4. And this is also what is recommended by the board. item 1 be the same thing, director to serve for 3 years, expiring this. This is for Kimball. The first one was for James Murdoch, so I'm going to go for 4 again. Item number 2, which is one of the most important items on the docket. This is a Tesla proposal to approve the executive compensation on a non-binding advisory basis. I'm going to go for 4. Again, board recommends that we go for 4. Number 3, a Tesla proposal to approve the re-domestication of Tesla from Delaware to Texas. So this is literally moving the headquarters from Delaware to Texas. Item 4, this is also 4. Item 5, this is also going to be a 4. And from item 6 to 12, this is going to be voted against. So I'm going against for all of this. Just remember that items 1 through 5, we are voting for. And items 6 to 12, we're voting against. Step 5, I'm going to review the options that I chose. So this is 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. And the last ones, item 6 through 12, is against, and you just submit your votes. Finally, we have just voted. It's very, very easy to vote. It's pretty fast, and that's it. If you have more Tesla voting cards, you can just scroll down a little bit, enter the next control number, which I'm also going to do because I have a bunch of voting cards here. So you're just going to enter the control number and then vote again, and that's it. So remember, items 1 through 5 we're voting for, and items 6 through 12 we're voting against. And if you have any question, let me know in the comments area below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you for watching. Until then, I'm Bloomin' Umoren, your trusted money coach.